Anclote. Anclote Beach, located at the northern end of Banderas Bay in Punta de Mita, is ideal for water sports like surfing and paddleboarding thanks to its gentle waves and turquoise waters. This white sand beach is lined with seafood restaurants and is the main departure point for boat tours to the Marietas Islands. The main activities and features of the area include surfing. It's a paradise for beginners and longboarders. The waves are usually between 1 and 3 feet, and you can rent equipment or take lessons at local schools. Marietas Islands, about 9.5 kilometers away, about 15 minutes by boat, is this national park, famous for its hidden beach. Tours generally include snorkeling and blue-footed booby watching. Dining, you'll find a wide variety of beachfront restaurants where you can enjoy ceviche and fresh fish while taking in the view. Imagine a place with crystal-clear turquoise waters, soft white sand, fun water activities, and a wide variety of exquisite palapa restaurants along the shore. Here in our destination, that could very well be the beautiful beach that marks the northern end of the expansive Banderas Bay. This beach is very popular with visitors and residents of both Puerto Vallarta and Riviera Nayarit, especially on weekends. Some arrive on their own yachts to spend a fun-filled day or enjoy one of the exquisite dishes offered at the more than 10 beach club restaurants located along the coast. There's something for every taste and budget, from gourmet to traditional. Being a fishing area, most of the menus at these restaurants feature dishes prepared with fresh fish and seafood, offering a wide and delicious selection of specialties. No palate will be disappointed. In the afternoon, we highly recommend strolling along Avenida Anclote, the street parallel to and immediately adjacent to the beach, where you will find plenty of interesting souvenirs to take home. If you are traveling as a couple, keep in mind that this is a prime spot to appreciate one of the spectacular sunsets for which our tourist destination is so famous. A place like no other in the bay, Anclote is one of the 2 beaches in Punta de Mita with public access and is an excellent option for those looking to escape the hustle and bustle, while we provide information and resources for visitors to Puerto Vallarta, areas of the Riviera Nayarit, and other destinations in both states of Jalisco and Nayarit. You will find variety of content, including articles, blog posts, videos, photos, descriptions, and interviews, all of which are designed to help visitors plan their trip, including attractions, restaurants, and events. Follow promovisionpv.com.